It is a very big economic cost to say with the 70% alcohol wash your bottles. So if you use 20%, use warm water and go your way. Yeah. Yes, license. Okay. Enti sena ye designing equipment no. Mo hwa ye bottling line na ye use no. Ebe affect product ne quality ana. Rahina. Oh, feel free. If it will not affect it, feel free. If you think, oh, say boss in here and as a little bit. Want it. Yes, we are just learning. And I am sure say the idea is to help everybody. Inti Rahina? Yes.
Me pacho me when say affecting no because do na machine na
okay.
The nipa say ye hye bottles na bottles na ewram so a nsuo na alcohol ma e washing ti no me hu say e be affect me.
Okay. Inti stage a men hu ne baby a washing of bottles ne koso ansana ye de ahye line so no.
Machine ma so the bottles ni ewram
anti bottle washing side
e wo machine say machine dey pick care washing ansana akwa ma edru na bu agu.
Good. And I will say there in a washing alcohol and water. Okay. Into warm water is just enough. Normally machines na bottle washing, you know. It will cold and it will warm. Into say warm with a cold need the kind. Washing more. Na warm and so aside then I second washing. Into normally just water is good. Enti Rahina say affect product quality. Mabaha. Papa. Who say watch us you? Or say machine na wash bottles no. Yeah. Udin Abbas.
Yeah.
Okay. Abbas.
Oh, say my sister na can affect because bottle no. Udi shema machine na no. Ebe wo like ebe sini trias cross e wo nsuo no enka bottle no man sana aduro no abu agu ntino mu say affect.
Okay. Yeah, Abbas here that's it. And suitable for manufacturing activity na. Ma activity na na bottling line. Ma no. Samoti ase. There are some machines fully automated. No Rahina kra here say obejina ho no na wahye bottles no ewo so. Eno abefa na connect it. Ba ni nyina ye fans asem enye sa. Ya kra po mu machine mu wani mu chen. No kare. But ni here ne say we be make sure say machine no enye den affect product quality no. But ni the bottles ne hihye so no. Mo hwa protection bi aka or the can ho a enke beboa. Mo hwa protection be no no. Yes. Yeah, Priscilla.
Nose mask.
Then tina mo hwa nose mask ni hia. Some say bottles yi ne hohoro. Some say hohoro. Nti mo hwa then tina nose mask ni gusu hia. Mo dwen say gusu hia. Yeah.
Obehome. Obetimi so abowa ama.
Nti as we go along the line, we will who send me the pictures be ato ho. Obinya colder. What you say? Bottles na air washing no. Mo amhwe machine na. Mutumi hu say inside no kra na air wash me boa. But microbial etoda. You can't even use your eyes to do what to see. Entina make us say number 1, you want to try and avoid contamination. Enti unye say oh we kura say machine hohoro enti man hye kora enye hwe mpamjo mo ti ase any stage a product ni open no afei na product ni kwa ko bottle no no stage a ubetumi introduce contamination on the line mpamjo mo ti wa ha mo hwe mo line na say glass ewo baby a failing ne sani amani nyina akoso nti operator gina ho but ohwe glass no enti sa operator ne nso along the line ebia na issues bi eba was say bottle bi ebia bottle bi alock wo baby obeye say enti sa operator ne nso ehu hia pa se ono so be den ebe she news max mpamto muti wa ha on the line. Good. Apart from say machine eye adwuma e pese ye no afen so e was say a permit cleaning e was say utumi cleaning say machine ye good na untumi clean ya eventually ebe cause contamination na affect product quality. So say nyina say machine e wash it. So I'm saying wash it. Small say bottle wash inside no. Yen de ni e won e 10 table ni bi. Oh, I wash you so ni fem. After about a week, kai say washing is taking out dirt. Yifi. Enya sa. O ka say bibi wash bibi yifi. E ti say de ugware na opepa won ho. Oh, towel no na wo dey clean wo ho. Towel na enye fi. Good. Enti one hwe here, you will be introducing contamination at the bottle washing because say e ho ni nye cleaner. Say periodically, clean na yi efi na e wash ko ye nyina residues bi be wo ho. Tubes no mu ne Sani amano unye maintenance to make sure say emu ye clean always sa. Eho na eya we confident say oh me wash me bottles. So eho na problem ne beba. Inti machine no eye good eye. Na so no e was say permit cleaning. Na ye to me cleaning. There are times I was say ye to me eyi parts no na ye cleaning relevant places ni nyina mpamcho mutie wa ha obi wa question bi wa ha o misa. Yes,
yeah, please, I want to ask, you mentioned that warm water is enough to clean the bottles.
Yes.
So in my opinion, using alcohol would be able to sanitize the bottle enough, and the quantity, the residual one inside wouldn't be so much so as to contaminate the products.
As in the residual alcohol.
Yes. Or so, why shouldn't alcohol be used?
Oh, but what percentage of alcohol is a sanitizing agent?
About 70 above.
About 70%. 70% and above. And alcohol can help you sanitize. But you see, are you sure you are taking out all the residue? Who eat alcohol? Who making sure that the bottles are dry before you are filling the product? Some we are moving droplets. That is one. Even the most simplest one is the economic cost. 70% alcohol for washing bottles. It's too much. And if you don't take time, what you will end up doing is obey 20% and now 10%. Now they wash it with bottles. So what we do, I like sharing experiences because that helps. What we do at the center, for instance, when we finish the bottling, the water we use to wash the products, because there may be some spillage and residues around it, that one we use alcohol in it because we want it to dry quickly. But it is a very big economic cost to say the 70% alcohol wash your bottles. So if you use 20%, use warm water and go your way. And stop deceiving yourself that you are sanitizing. When in actual fact, that 20% cannot kill any proper bacteria for you. It is just acting like water. And here, you must say, so, what they, even tinctures, what your tinctures, now alcohol percentage in below 25%. I want to show you a best. So, it depends on the plant material there, but if you are if the plant material is susceptible to bacterial growth, actually, so that tells you that 20% now we use it. It's not really sanitary, it's acting like water. If you want to solely and one on so but you have just added an economic cost. It is probably making you feel good. I use alcohol. I miss my. Then when we ask what percentage, but what you can actually use that 70 or 80% for, clearing of your lines. Say be a clear lines in every you can leave residual 70% or 80% alcohol in the lines. Send a bacteria into me then and grow your lines. But you must first wash with water. Water is life. We don't take it serious, but water is life.